Hey, thanks for watching Clicks and Quesadillas. I'm gonna open my second case of House of X right here. Let's see what we got. My first case was very spot on with the normal 1 prime, 1 chase, and 6 super rares. I missed mentioning the prime. It was Bishop, and I thought North was a chase. He's not. It's the Old Man Phoenix was my chase piece. So I hope this is pretty normal too. If not better, we'll see. Alright, here's a super rare Jubilee. So, first one, we're good to go. And, oh, there's the chase is binary. Pew, pew, pew. There we go. Alright, so 1 super rare in the chase, and the super rare is North again. It's looking a little bit like my other brick. There's that guy. That guy. So yeah, doing good so far. Alright, guess the rare here is Dr. Celia Reyes. That's this girl. I like these shield things she has, that's pretty neat. Looks like there was a team up. Nope. I haven't been paying attention to those team up cards. I got 5 team up cards in my other brick. I think I actually didn't open all the packs, but I mean, unless they're in like the middle, but usually they're on the front or back. Oh, another super rare. There's the Psylocke Captain Britain, which I also got in my last brick. Something in a package. That's the rare storm. I'm not gonna pop her out. I'm gonna just keep going. Oh, another super rare. How many super rares are there? Oh, this is the 4th super rare. Wow, I'm doing good. This brick is looking good. Alright, so there's Juggernaut again. Again, I got Juggernaut in my last brick too. That's crazy, right? My wife's making faces behind me. Okay, rare Iceman. Again, I'm not paying any attention to those team up cards. Pay attention, Jason. Pay attention. That's the rare Rogue right there. Dougluck, Domino, I don't know. Cipher Sunspots. Okay, rare Karima. Yeah, Karima's my rare. It's this girl. Alright, so first brick looking really good. Got a chasing 4 super rares. It's been a long time since I've had that happen to me. Not since maybe like, probably not since Legion of Superheroes, Superman and Superboy, and Legion of Superman and Legion of Superheroes, whatever it was called. Hope that doesn't offset this brick. Oh! Okay, so Karima. There's Karima again. That's my rare again. Oh, pay attention to the team-up cards. I don't see a team-up card here. There's a Storm again. Oh, she has a broken arm. She's my rare. Oh, got a team-up card. This one's Storm 39.04. That's the it's an X-Men team up. Super rare Mother. Crazy. Got her in my last break too. Crazy. Crazy. She's got those shield arms like Cecilia Reyes. Sinister clone right there. Alright, so we're 1 super rare here. My high point here is the rare Sage right here. That's my rare. Armor. I like her little armored arm. She can create some kind of psychic armor. No team up card. I'll look. Rare here is Raza. The guy with the flame head, that's Zorn. Team up card? No team. Oh, yes, it's in the back. Oh, it's in the back. So I guess I'll open it and mention it. Looks like it's a Beast card. Yep, it's Beast 3901. I'll slip that front, so I'll notice better when I go back and look for them. Alright, 5 packs left. Only 1 super rare so far. Rare is Cecilia again. Check that team up card, Jason. Check it. Don't see one? Super rare. This one has a maggot in it, which I also got in my other case. That's crazy, right? Chode That's my rare. Iceman is my rare? Yeah. Iceman's my rare, and there's Mr. Sinister. Wolverine. Looks like not a team-up card. Uh-oh. 2 packs left. Only pulled 2 super rares. Looks like Cardinal is my rare. Alright, my last pack. Probably this has my prime and my super rare in it, so we'll see. That's possible. It's definitely possible. I mean, it could be like, it could be the prime apocalypse. Nope, what? It's super rare juggernaut. Juggernaut. Alright, so there we go. So I did get my 3 normal super rares in here, but I did not pull a prime. Maybe I missed it. I don't know. If I see it, I'll put it in my comment section. Alright, I'll probably put how many team-up cards I got too, because I think I must have missed some. Thanks for watching Cooks and Quesadillas. See you next time.